Okay, I've finished detailing and painting the best I can possibly could with this kit to see how overall it would look at the scale. And some things came out right, some of them did not come out at all, but now I just want to move forward. So let's begin with assembling this part. So let's begin with the feet. It goes in there. With that. And that goes in here. For this. Keep the arms open like that. Then we gotta take these two apart. Put this one in here. Put this one in here. And then you have this part that goes there. So far so good. I am digging the two-tone color with the brown and the red. And the russet, I mean, not red. Put these two back here. Fine, like so right there. Now I gotta bend this because we need to put these parts. Yeah, like that. That one goes there. And that one goes here. For the waist, this part goes like that there. Side skirts, and goes there. The other one goes here. And we have the front part. Goes there. Alright. Then we have the back part here. But we need this to go around this. We have to stretch it out. This is not rubber, just so you guys know. So be careful how you want to do this. There we go. So that goes there. And this one goes here. And then this one, we have the chest part that goes here. And there are two notches here so that I could hold these two. Alright. Get the backpack that actually holds this part together. There we go. Now then, bicep armor. Yep, there we go. It goes there. Then the forearm. Yeah, there's the hole there. There's that there. Followed by the bottom arm. And it goes there. And that one goes there. Shoulder parts, which we're going to have to take apart. Oh, no, we got to do this one. That one goes there. So that one goes here. This one goes here. Come on. There we go. like that. And then we put the head. And then we... Oh, we forgot something. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Come on, get out. I think we need to take this backpack off, or move it at least up front. I mean, back a bit. Because we need to stick that in there, into the hole. Come on, there we go. Yep, that went in there. Now we put the head part. There we go. And then we have this part that goes here, which snaps. Where does this go? I forgot how to connect this. Oh, back here. That's right. But I think I need to do it the other way around. That's right. Get in. There we go. I could probably... that's a little too out there. I need to bend it a bit. There we go. I may be wrong on this. I'll fix this soon enough. And then, of course, the beam rifle, which goes all the way in like that. There we go. And there you have it. A painted build of the G-Frame Sazabi is now complete. Let's take a closer look at this, so you guys can see this. Two-tone came out pretty good. I don't like how it came out. Maybe not an appropriate choice for this, using brown, but it came out okay. And you can see this. I painted the thrusters here, or the actual vents and thrusters here, chrome. Then I did the yellow, I painted yellow. I actually hand painted it, which was not the best hand painting, bar none, as you can see there. That's not the most attractive looking form that it looks, but it's alright, especially for what it could do, or what it looks like. Actually, you know what? I had something to the side. Oh, here it is. So we can actually see this much better. Since this thing has the universal connectors for stands, I found this one, which we can use. There we go. Alright. Alright. The G-frame is now complete and done. And simple. You don't have to worry about multiple parts. You're only dealing with the more basic parts. But clearly there's a lot of areas for panel lining. I mean, for part separations and painting. I kind of made a little mistakes here and there. Actually, I made some mistakes that you probably see, because clearly you guys are arguing these should have been glued on so you don't see the seam lines. Understandable. But again, this is a candy toy. This is not a full-fledged model. Yes, it is a model, and it could have been done better. I also had some issues getting the paint job done on this, but I finally was able to figure it out to a certain degree. I mentioned that, I don't know if I did mention this before, but these little section here, which could be, which simulate the thrusters, where the thrusters are, like there and there and there, even though they're cheesily painted yellow. If you buy one of those option parts from the MSG line, from Kotobukiya, there are small little thrusters that can actually fit in these little holes, in these little sections here, so they can simulate the thrusters sections. So that's understandable. That could be done. I can imagine somebody's taking this kit and doing the same thing. But it is nice. I like it. It's cool. And it's basically a primer, getting myself ready when the real grade comes out. So I can't wait to build that big boy and put it in this pose as well. So that's pretty much it. I'm done with this kit. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys get your hands on this if you see it on eBay, or if you go to your favorite hobby store and somebody's selling this. Don't pass it up. It's a nice looking kit. It's big. As a matter of fact, oh yeah, I might as well pull this guy out. Put it to the side. Let me show you how big it is. That's on the stand, and here's the high grade 00 Diver Ace Trans Am. Pretty neat, huh? Obviously, this is not the real size. The Sazabi will be far bigger than this guy. So, I'm done with this build, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So, thank you all for watching, and what can I say, but stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.